Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be Halloween special. And so we're going to be decorating 2 trees, Halloween trees, and everything that I bought is all under $25. I got these 2 trees at Target. They're $5 each. I chose the black ones. They have different colors. They have an orange or a green. I'll show you what I got at Michael's. So we're going to start with the ornaments right here. And these right now at Michael's, everything is 40% off. So these were a little under $3. So I got 1 each for the trees. And then also the ornaments I got here, where I got a ghost. And these were also same thing. They were under, 40% off, but they came out to, let's see, we can check my receipt. Oops. Okay, so yeah, these were $6 right here. So I got 1 right here for that tree. And then I got pumpkins for the next tree right here. But yeah, this is a really easy and cheap Halloween decoration you can put anywhere in your house, like on a table. But yeah, let's get started. Let's decorate them. Okay, so the first tree we're gonna decorate, we're gonna start with the pumpkins. So these are the pumpkin ornaments. Yeah, so we'll clip off the tag here. And then I think we'll start with these ornaments first. We'll add these and then we can add, because there's only 3 pumpkins right here, so we can add those a little bit later. Slit on the top, and I'm thinking what I'm gonna have to do is we're gonna add some string. You could take something to kind of poke the hole through, because the hole wasn't poked all the way because of the glitter. So I just took a long nail and then just poked it through, and now it's ready to go on the tree. So what I found is that some of the limbs on there on the pumpkin thing were too big to fit through the hole right here. So I'm just gonna take a string and then I'm just gonna tie it, and then we're just gonna hang it that way. Alright, we're going to start on our second tree.